Yes, Fannie Mae is going to stop having a credit score requirement, but they are not stopping having good credit. That's just misinformation that is being spread by a lot of people on social media right now. People keep referring to this as 2008 and what they are doing. This has nothing to do with 2008. Just because they are removing the credit score requirements does not mean that they're still not looking at credit, income, and assets. There still has to be an ability to repay. A borrower still needs to prove that they are credit worthy, meaning they may just be using rent payments and their electric bills, their phone bills as credit. Nothing that Fannie Mae is doing right now is going to cause a credit crash. What it is going to possibly do is open the door to people who are qualified to purchase a home, but for whatever reason, their credit scores are not accurate in giving the full picture. Any of you that have pulled your credit score, you have to agree with me that it's not always accurate to what your credit history truly is. So I can tell you, for people who have low credit scores and a low down payment, they still will not qualify for a conventional loan. Too many people are out there just posting that Fannie Mae is now going to give loans to anybody no matter what their credit is, and that's just not correct. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. You could have somebody who's putting 20% down, who's got a perfect rent history, but they have a 619 credit score. Should they be denied a home loan just because they don't have a 620 credit score? Or how about somebody who is putting 50% down on a home, but because their credit score isn't 620, they're being denied a home loan? Those are the true examples of what Fannie Mae is going to correct in this industry that should have never happened. So yes, Fannie Mae is doing away with the credit score mandate, but they're not doing away with the fact that you have to have good credit, you have to have good job time, and you have to have assets in order to qualify to get a conventional home loan. And remember, FHA and VA, they've always been able to go below 620 to get credit scores.